Welcome, superstar. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to repurpose YouTube videos. This is 7 ways to get more mileage out of what you're already creating. Let's go. Doing YouTube videos, at least for me, I don't know about you, is a huge investment of time, energy, and money. That's why it's so helpful for me to be able to get more mileage out of the YouTube videos I'm already doing. So I've identified 7 ways plus 1 bonus that you won't want to miss at the end. And these are the ways that I've discovered to reuse my YouTube videos on a lot of different platforms, a lot of different ways to get more mileage out of them and also monetize them in new ways. It's also great because that allows me to focus almost all of my time and energy and attention and marketing into this one resource, YouTube, and then be able to repurpose it in all these other different ways. So the first thing that I've discovered that works really well is once we've uploaded a YouTube video, you may not realize it, but YouTube does something really cool. They create a transcript of your video. Now you can pull that transcript. You want to be looking for the 3 dots in the lower right corner of your video, and it'll say open transcript. Now you can open the transcript and you can pull that transcript, and what I do, my team does now, is take that transcript and dump it into a WordPress blog post, okay? So we have all this transcript in a WordPress blog post, and then my assistant kind of cleans it up and edits it out and embeds the YouTube video in that blog post. So boom, voila, one way that we repurpose right away is we get a blog post with our YouTube videos. Now the second thing we do is we take that blog post and we pull the first couple of paragraphs or so, plus a thumbnail, and we drop it into our email marketing platform, which we use Simplero. So now we've created an email, we do that about once a week, that we send to our entire list that includes a couple paragraphs from the beginning of the blog post, the embedded thumbnail that encourages people to click on it, and we email that out. And so when they get that, they can click on that picture or they can click on the text that says, click here to read more, and that takes them back to my blog post, which has the video embedded. So we get YouTube views on that as well as people reading the blog post. Now what that does, notice, is now we have a whole new place besides YouTube where we're getting search engine marketing onto our keywords, onto our content. I've got it on YouTube and now I've got it on my blog. Now the third thing you can do is you can take each of these videos, of your YouTube videos, and you can chop it up into 5 parts. Chop it up into 5 parts and post 1 part a day on LinkedIn or onto another social media. Now I did this for about 90 days just to test it out. And what I realized is that my ideal audience really isn't hanging out so much on LinkedIn. They're much more likely to be here on YouTube or over on Facebook. But you can find out wherever your audience is most likely to be, and you can use this strategy there. Now, before I get into number 4, 5, 6, 7, and the bonus, number 8, I do want to invite you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and feel free to post any of your ideas about how to repurpose YouTube content below. So number 4 is you can actually take your YouTube videos and load them up into a learning management platform like Thinkific or Kajabi, and you can turn it into a course or even a mini course. You can make that course free or you can even charge for that course. You can also use it to supplement an existing online course. Number 5, another thing you can do is you can organize certain videos into a playlist and then use that playlist to promote yourself. So you can send out the playlist by email marketing. You can put it on social media and say, hey, here's all of the videos that I've gathered on this particular topic. You can even put that playlist behind an opt-in. So you can have people opt in and then show them the playlist by keeping the playlist private on your YouTube. Number 6 is you can take these videos and either use the whole thing or a part of it and boost them on Facebook or on other social media. You can even use them in ads. And you can do this in order to guide traffic to your Facebook groups or into your pages that people can follow. Now, number 7 is something that I actually have not started doing myself yet, but we have it in the works. And that is to take your YouTube video, rip the audio from it, and turn it into a podcast. Now you've got your content in a whole different platform. People can listen to it on Spotify or on Apple Podcasts or iHeartRadio or wherever else they listen to their podcasts. And then finally, the bonus one, and this one I just discovered recently, is you can use your YouTube videos for sales. I recently had an opportunity to do a discovery call with someone who was almost a perfect fit, but not quite ready. And what I did for her is I collected 3 or 4 videos that I thought would really help her kind of move through to the next level, and I compiled them in a follow-up email to her. And she was so grateful. She got back to me and she went ahead and booked another call to set up a time to talk about enrolling in one of my retreats. So you can use your YouTube videos specifically one-on-one to sell. I hope this was helpful for you, and if you're interested in learning more about how you can use your thought leadership marketing or content marketing in order to build or grow your business, we can connect. You can book some time with me at superstardiscoverycall.com or just click on the link below. I'll see you soon.